This is my LG dishwasher. It's been making this sound, the LG direct drive. Obviously coming from down there, and it's been doing that for a couple weeks now, so it gets everything clean, but I can't figure out if I'm gonna change the correct motor or not. Let me know, please comment. Remove the water, got it on its back. I'm gonna try and open it up and see what's up. All right, so far, I disconnected the electrical right there on that side. There was another wire, this wire that was running down here, connected. Disconnected these pieces on top and bottom, and move these pieces in, these clamps, move these clamps off. What I'm about to do is undo this clamp right here and remove that piece. And it's feeling like it's much more flimsy to be able to come off, but I'm still not exactly sure what's exactly holding it on. So we'll finish it out here in just a second. All right, with a little bit of force, move this clamp down. And then I was able to, with a little bit of force, I was able to kind of pull everything out. So nothing else is like really screwed in. It's kind of odd. It's just, you know, plumbing pieces connected to each other. I'm gonna remove these electrical pieces, the ground, and these two right here, and then hopefully I should be able to make the switch pretty easy. All right, so the old one's removed. I'm gonna try putting in the new one. So again, these pieces just slid right off and just kind of took it out with a screw right here. So I'm just gonna try and put it right back in. All right, I got the brown wire connected back, the blue wire connected on the right. Everything plugged back in nice and firmly. Got this connection all the way down the bottom. I went ahead and bread tied it back together because that's how they had it. I'm sure just kind of nice to have those. Made sure that these clamps are kind of in the middle, making sure everything's nice and tight so this isn't moving around. I'm gonna put these pieces back on top and bottom so everything looks the same. Everything feels the same. I'm going to reconnect everything and turn on the water and see how it goes. All right, I got my dishwasher running again. And you can hear how quiet it is yet again. Very nice. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching.